Hi mommy and daddy, my name is Carla, I'm volunteer from Banco do Bebê. I will tell you some stories that I really love that you see at home with your babies, or even better, if you could repeat with them, that will be perfect. It will be small stories, it will be small rhymes. Why rhymes? Because when you repeat all the sounds, you create a kind of sound like if it was a music, and this is very important for your baby. You will wake up for what you are saying, and you will learn a lot of sounds, and later on a lot of words. So this is a way of playing with your babies, very funny, very simple, because these rhymes are always very short. And you can do it while you are giving them a bath, or when you are giving them the food, when you are feeding them, or when they are going to sleep, or when they are waking up in the morning. And you can also do it with the siblings, because some of you don't have only now the baby, but also have other kids, eldest kids, and this can be very funny to do it all together in family, and yes, and to develop the language and all your connections and links and relationship. I hope you enjoy. Hi, so the story that I'm gonna sing now is very funny. It's a rhyme. It's about the animals from the farm, and with a lot of sounds from the animals. So it's funny for you to do with the babies, doing this, touching the babies, doing these sounds. I think it's gonna be funny. Please try. Let's do it, okay? 1, 2, 3. The cat meow meow meow, the rooster cock-a-doodle, the sheep meh meh meh, sneezing they aching.
Aching!
They decided to reply like this. They decided to reply like this. Meow 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 meow, cock-a-doodle meh meh, aching aching. Meow 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 meow, cock-a-doodle meh, aching aching. And now it's time to say goodbye. So I will sing a small song to say bye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll go home to take some rest. For you and your family, a big kiss I'll send to you.